What's the meaning of country dance? Country dance. Country dance.
Country dance. Country dance. A country dance is a type of social dance that originated in rural communities. It involves a group of people dancing together in a variety of formations, often to traditional folk music. The dances can range from simple and easy for beginners to more complex and challenging for experienced dancers. Country dancing is often associated with a fun and relaxed atmosphere, and is popular in many countries around the world. It's a great way to meet new people, get some exercise, and enjoy a night out with friends.